Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay your AT&T bill, no login payment options step by step clearly. First, open your web browser on your phone or computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Type att.com in the address bar and press enter to go to the official AT&T website. On the AT&T homepage, look for the billing or payment section and select the option that says pay without signing in or make a payment. If you do not see it immediately, use the site search and type pay without sign in to find the correct page. When the payment page opens, choose the service type you are paying for, such as wireless or internet. Enter the AT&T phone number or account identifier requested on the screen. Carefully type the billing zip code that matches the account billing address. Click Continue or Next to proceed to the payment verification step. Review the account details shown and confirm you are paying the correct bill. Select a payment method, such as debit card, credit card, or bank account if available. If you choose card payment, enter the card number exactly as it appears on the card. Enter the card expiration date and the security code, also called CVV. Type the name on the card and make sure it matches the cardholder name. Enter the billing address for the card if the form asks for it. Choose the payment amount, either the full balance, the minimum due, or a custom amount if allowed. Double-check the amount you entered to avoid underpaying or overpaying. Select the payment date, and choose today if you want the payment processed immediately. Read any processing notes about posting time, especially if your due date is close. Click Review Payment to see a final confirmation screen. Verify the account number or phone number, the zip code, and the payment total one last time. Submit the payment by clicking Pay Now, Submit, or Confirm Payment. Wait for the confirmation page to load and do not close the browser during processing. Take a screenshot or write down the confirmation number for your records. Check your email or text messages for a payment receipt if AT&T sends one. If you used a bank account, note that it may take longer to post than a card payment. If the payment does not go through, recheck your zip code and payment details and try again once. For an alternative no-login method, call AT&T's automated payment line and follow the prompts to pay by phone. After payment, verify your balance later by using the same Pay Without Login page or by checking your next bill. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.